Right. Good evening. இப்போதான் சாப்பிட்டு வந்தேன். So the brain functioning is very less. We'll start with interesting topic. Previously, 2 years back, when the exam was conducted for 100 marks, the weightage was 7. But last year and last before year, the weightage has been 3. Okay. So I'll show you which topic I'm talking about. I'm talking about coding and decoding, this particular topic over here. Okay, very important topic and very easy topic also. And coming to coding and decoding, already I have given you a video where I have in detail discussed regarding the numerical values of alphabets. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I'm going to show you few models, and then we'll be solving them, and we will look at the PYQs also, of course. Right. So let us start. Right. Yeah, good to go. Okay. So this is one of the most important models, basically. So this is called as unknown language model. Unknown language model. So here what you observe over here is they give you some words. Na pa ka means birds fly very high. Re so la pa, birds are very beautiful. Ti me kabo, the parrots could fly. Okay. So here they are asking us to find the code for high. Now, if you observe over here, Nana, you need high. That is what you are supposed to find. And if you see here, you have birds and very as common things. Napa kaso, sorry, I missed out. Okay. So now what happens is, if you observe here, you have birds and very common in the first and second sentences over here. Also, you can observe that so and pa have been repeated. Coming to fly, fly is repeated in first and third sentences. So here you have ka, which is repeated in first and third sentences. So what happens? Pa or so, they can either be birds or very, which we are not sure, of course, unless we have another assumption over here, another statement over here. But I can say for sure that ka is represented by, fly is represented by ka. So that leaves me with only one option, that is nothing but na. So the code for high would be na. Right? So these are my observations. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to find the common words and common phrases in the unknown sentences, match them and find the answers. Right? Moving on to the next one. Do I have any other question? Okay, no. Right, thank you. Now move to the next question. Second question. Second. Yeah. This is the second question. in the second question, if you observe over here, it is given as if cook is called butter, butter is called soap, soap is called ink, ink is called honey, and honey is called orange. Which of the following is used for washing clothes? This question they haven't asked over the last 4 years, Nana. This question is called as substitution type. Okay. The simplest way to find the answer for this is forget about what they are talking and all in that question. Just observe the last sentence. Which of the following is used for washing clothes? Generally, in that given statement, which is the thing that is regularly used for washing clothes? Soap. And soap is being called as ink. So it is being referred to as ink. So my answer would be ink. Clear? This is very, very easy question. And they are not asking, for some weird reason, they are not asking this type of questions now, recently, over the last 4 years. I don't think it is important, but anyhow, I have discussed the case with you. Next, see the next question. In a certain code, monkey is coded as XDJMNL. Monkey has been coded as XDJMNL. What is the code for tiger in the same language, you can say? Okay. Now, what you need to observe over here is the difference between M and X is too high, too large. Already, there is a difference of 11. If you observe, M is 13, X is 24. There is a difference of 11. Here, O is 15, D is 4. There is a difference of again 11, but minus 11. Here it is 14. Here it is 10. So, for some weird reason, you don't have the same codes present over there. So what I will do is I will reverse this particular code as LNMJDX instead of the given code. Let us write the code over here. The given code is XDJMNL. Right. Now what is happening over here? This is -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, and -1. So what is the logic here? -1 and reverse. That is the logic. So you have to be careful. Do not spend more time on questions like this thinking what the logic is. That is why I have brought this question, so that you can understand these logics better, so that you are aware of these logics. Now coming to tiger, if you -1 from each value, t -1, t is 20, -1 is 19, 19 is yes, I is 9, 9 -1 is h, G is 7, 7 -1, 6, 6 is nothing but F, E -1 is D, R -1 is 17, that is nothing but Q. Now you have to reverse this. So your answer would be Q, D, F, H, S. Q, D, F, H, S. This level of difficulty, I'm not sure they will be asking, but anyhow, it is important that you know, because that is the purpose of the video, right? Separate video. Right. Next. Moving on. Next question. Play. This is a simple question. Play has been coded as 8123. Rhyme has been coded as 49367. Now they are asking you to find the code for male. It's quite easy. So what I are going to do? M is 6, A is 2, L is 1, E is 7. Right? Simple. Very, very easy. Of course, stupid also. Right? So this is the code 6217. Next one. Hospital has been coded as 32 5, 7, 4, 6, 8, 1. This is a similar model question, Nana. What about postal now? Postal would be, if you observe here, P is 7, O is 2, S 5, T is 6, A is 8, and L is 1. So 7, 2, 5, 6, 8, 1 will be my code. Right? Similar model, same model question. Right? You can pause the video if it is too fast, and you can work out, no issues. Right? Next question. This is again the same model question. Right? So what is the question over here? In a certain code, maximum dollar in market, maximum dollar in market, it has been coded as zo pi ob to. Right? The next sentence is share in market less o to g pi. Don't invest in share market, by the way. I don't know anything. Next, making maximum less now. Su j zo ka. And next one is now the market gains. So this is coded as a do pi yo su. And they are asking you to find the code for wo. Right? As I have told in the previous question, what you need to do is you need to find the code for wo. So if you observe over here, coming to the first and second statements, or first, second, and fourth statements, I have market common. So one thing that I observe over there is pi. So pi is market. Next, in is present in first and second. That is nothing but 2. So in is referred as to or 2, whatever you call it. Then moving on, coming to less. Less is present in second and third. That is nothing but j. So the leftover one wo would be share. Right? That is my answer. Now moving to the next question. In the next question, they are asking you to find the code for making. So what I will do, I'll put it back again. Right. Asking you to find the code for making. Now I have max over here. When it comes to max, max is present in first and third rows. So that is nothing but zo. And now is present in third and fourth. That is nothing but su. So if now is su, then making would be coded as ka. So for wo, the answer is share. Clear? And for making, so for making, the answer would be ka. The answer is ka. This is the answer. Right? Now they are asking you to find the code for gains. So gains can be do or yo. We are not sure. Okay. So if you observe over here, I guess you will be able to see two options, either yo or do. See, yo or do. That would be your answer. Right. Then moving on. Next question. What is the code for the maximum you share? That is the question that they have asked. The maximum you share. Okay. Now what you need to do, observe over here is, see, Nana, they're asking you to find the code for the maximum you share. So here you already know for maximum is zo. Maximum is zo. And share is wo. So you should have zo and wo both combined together. Okay. And right here, zo and wo. And what else? What else do you need? You need the. So the code for the would be do or yo. So you have both options over here. So this is wrong. And you don't have do or yo here. So this is also wrong. Here also you don't have do or yo. So by the method of elimination, your answer would be the second option. Right? You can just go back and once again see the video. You will be able to understand it much better. Right? Then moving on to the next one, next question, next one. Next question is, in a code language, FOR has been coded as 1620, read as 360, top as 4800. What is the code for eat? So FOR, F is 6, O is 15, and R is 18. So 90 times of 18. I guess this is 1620. Not guess, I'm sure. Right? So this is 1620. Moving on to the next one. For red, I'm multiplying 18 into 5 into 4. So that is 20 into 18. It would give me 360. And similarly for top, you need to check for everything, sir. Remember, do not try to skip anything. It hardly takes few minutes. That's all, not more than that. At 15, 16, sir, this is 240. Right? So 240 into 20. That is nothing but 4800. So for eat, 5 into 1 into 20, answer will be 100. They won't ask 99%, they won't ask, but still I am discussing. Okay. Right. Then this particular model I am talking about, not about the other ones. Moving on to the next one. In a certain code, this is a difficult question once again, and 100% they won't ask this question in stage 1. Right? So this is only for enthusiasts who want to learn. Okay. So right over here has been coded as GSTRI. So here, if you observe what is going on over here, what you need to do here is we have to reverse this order. So this becomes IRTSG. And when you add these two, you will be getting a sum of 27. So for example, you are taking black. So for black is 11. So you have to find 16. So that is P. C is 3. So you have to find 24. 24 is X. A is 1. So 26 would mean Z. L is 12. So another 15. 15 is nothing but J. Sorry, O. Right. E Jyoti. Right. Don't forget. 25s. 25 is Y. and you have to reverse this. So P, X, Z, O, Y. Okay, that is the answer. They won't ask, but still, anyhow, I'm just discussing. Right. The next one is important. The next one which we are going to discuss, they will definitely ask this type of questions. Observe now. What is the question? Freedom has been coded as ITFVEQP. If you observe over here, F is 6, I is 9, 18, 20, 5, 6. This is 5. This is 22. This is 4. This is 5. This is 15, 17, 13, 16. What you need to observe over here is very, very important one number. Plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. Sum of this is 27. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Same logic you have to apply for teacher. What happens? C is 3. So adding 24 would mean this position will have X. Right? So the fourth position is X. So this one is eliminated. It is not there. This is 20. 20 plus 3 would mean 23. 23 is nothing but W. Right? Next, E is 5 plus 2 would mean 7. 7 is G. A is 1 plus 1 would mean B. So this one is eliminated. Next, I'll find directly for R because that is the deciding one. See, you have U over here and V over here. So R is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. As per Government of India, you are called youth at the age of 21. That is what you have learned, right? So your answer would be WGBXIGU. Like that, you can save time, not by skipping. Find the deciding ones if you want to save time. Clear? Right. Moving on to next one. The next one. In a code, mat has been coded as 102. Okay. Mat has been coded as 102. This is 13, 1, 20. So this is around, okay, not making any sense. So we will do this one otherwise. 13 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Okay, that is also not making any sense. We will go reverse then. So mat is equals to 102, right? Okay. If I am going reverse, M value is normally 13. So if I am reversing it, so this becomes 14. A is normally 1. In reversal, it is 26. T is normally 20. In reversal, it is 7. So I am getting 47. Once again, it isn't making any sense. Oh, finally I have got stuck. Okay, I'll get back on this. Maybe I have to check once. Just give me a moment. I keep forgetting, you know, right? So please don't mistake. See. Okay, we'll Fine, we'll try to find and we'll crack. 62, 13. No. 13 into 1 into 20. I get 60. It is not working. Take another logic. 13 plus 1 plus 20. 34. Okay. 34 into 3 is 102. God. God is 7. 7 plus 15 plus 4. 26. 26 into number of letters 3. 78. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to check. That's all. So there will be instances where you will forget, right? So you have to overcome that. So 25 into 3, 75. Right. Top. This is 20 plus 15 plus 16. 40, 35, 51. 51 into 3. What will be the answer? 153. See, when you get stuck, what you need to do, you have to check the values. You have to try to add or multiply and then see which kind of logic is best suitable, like checking the number of alphabets in that particular word or something like that, right? Very rare. These kind of questions are very rare, and 99.9% they won't ask. They won't ask. Only to get you ready. That's all. That is nothing else. Right. Let us move to the next question. So that you are aware of all the logics. That is the main intention over here. Right. Answer. If you observe, interchanging to two places. So for question, interchanging to two places. Right. UQ. Say it no. Right. That is right. Right. Next one. Once again. Oh God. Again. Rat is equals to 42. So 18 plus 1 plus 20. So you are getting 39. Okay. What about if we reverse this? There is another option of reversing, right? So R value is 18. Upon reversal, it would be 9. Reversal is nothing but finding the value from the back, that is from the Z, right? So 27 minus its original value, right? So what happens now? A is 1, but from reversal, it would be 26. T is normally 20. Upon reversal, it is 7. 9 plus 26 plus 7. See 42. Very good. Now move to that. T, as I already told, is 7. H is normally 8. 27 minus 8 is 19. 26 plus 7. So 14, 40, 59. Right? Same logic if you apply for none. N would be 13. O is normally 15. So 27 minus 15 is 12. 13. 27 minus 5 is 22. So 26 plus 34. Your answer is 60. Right? This is a probable case. This is an important question, important model. Right? Right. Now what we will do, we will move to the PYQ section, previous year questions section. Right, Nana? Observe. We'll start with the latest one. The latest one is this one. Right. In a certain code, what they're doing, they have coded fruit. Okay, so fruit has been coded as okay, fruit has been coded as ZLOCN. Okay, and they're asking you to find the code for flower. They're asking you to find the code for flower. Now what happens? This is 18. This is 12. This is 6. This is 26. This is 21. This is 15. So 15 here, what you are supposed to do, you have to take it in a cyclic order. So if you are taking in a cyclic order, what happens? Values will change. So this will become 38. This will become 41. This is 9. 9 plus 20 is 29. 29 is nothing but C. So you are taking it in cyclic order, right? So one cycle of A to Z gets over. Again, A will be now 27, B 28, C 29, like that, so on up to Z 56. So taking it in cyclic order, and each term, so this is 20. So 6 plus 14, another 20. So this is 40. So cyclic order plus 20. Right. Now what happens to the answer? Observe. Flour, right? Okay. Flour. So adding plus 20 to F. So that is 20. Yeah, Z. So we start with Z. L is 12. So adding 20 would mean 32. So plus 6. Right. Sorry for the disturbance. Right. So you are adding 20. So this is 12. 12 plus 20 will be 32. So 32 is plus 6. That is nothing but F. O is 15. Adding 25 will become 35. That is 9. So ZFI. So what I will do, I will find the last one. Last one is 18. 18 plus 20 is 38. That is 26 plus 12. That is nothing but L. So my answer would be ZFI QYL. Right. Sorry for the interruption. Right. Next. C is 6. Very clear. B is 14. BE is 2 plus 5, 7. 7 doubles. L is 12. 12 doubles. B is 2. This is 1. This is 7. So 10. 10 doubling. So luggage. So you have to double the value of luggage. So luggage 12 plus U is 21. G is 7. G is again 7. A is 1. G is 7. E is 5. So upon adding 33, 40, 48, 55, 60, 62s are 120. 62s are 120. Then I hope I have already taught you this question over here. So I think you will be able to try. But anyhow, I'll just teach you. I'll try to help you out. Right. They're asking you to find the code for fragrant or red flowers. Okay. First of all, what are the things that are common? So flowers and flowers, they are common over second and third. So the thing that is common over here is he. So flowers represent he, right? Then R, you have R over here. So that is first and third one. So P. So R refers to P, right? So this is removed. This is also removed. Next, moving on to fragrant. Fragrant is mit. That is of course fixed. Now moving to fragrant or red. Red. I have to find red. So red is sick. So this will be my answer. Right? Clear? Sick is left over here. See? Leftover one thing is red. I have red, so C must be a part. Quite simple. Moving on to the next one. What happens in the next one? Right. Once again, the same type of question asked over here again. Please observe carefully. Right. Once again, what they have done, they have doubled. See, they have repeated. They have repeated the same things. A is 2, T is 40. Act 1 plus 3 plus 20. 24 doubles 48. Same model. Jolly, 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 jolly. Right. 37. 37 into 2 is 74. Right. Now coming to the above question. Honey has been coded as HPPHC. So what is happening over here? No change. This is plus 1. N and P. N is 14. This is plus 2. This is 5 and this is 8 plus 3. This is plus 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the code. So for forge, it will be F. And for the last one, you are adding plus 4. So E plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is I. So this is removed. Next, see the next one. This one, O. O plus 1 would be P. So FP. Then plus 2. R is 18. So plus 2 would mean T. So FPT, my option is option number 2. Right? Quite clear, right? Very simple. Next, moving to this question. TCP is prepare fruit juice. CKT is juice is nice. Me, it is tall. They're asking you to find the code for nice. So is this similar over here? So the thing that is similar over here is, okay, I think the question is wrong. TCP, prepare fruit juice. CKT, juice is nice. Me, it is tall. Is, but I don't find anything common here. Right, so this question is invalid. But still, if they want you to find the value of nice, it wouldn't be possible. Right, this question is wrong, so it must have been an add score. Then moving on to the next one. Next paper. Right. Right, great. This model alone or this question paper alone, I will do it as a separate part with the other concept. Okay. I think it is already lengthy. So we'll stop over here. So we'll have a second part of the same and we'll continue. Right. Thank you. Thank you very much.